Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. If you saw Tuesday's video, you saw the headlamp. If you didn't, I will link the description. This is another product from HOKOlite. They reached out to me the other day, just last week, and they said, today's Saturday, truth be told. And they said, hey, you want to check this out for us? And I'm thinking, well, I'm trying to take a break from my channel, but I like gear, so. All right. Bubbles I can pop. Hacking nonsense. All right. You know, all that for a little light. Alright, so here it is. Let's turn the camera down and give you a better look at it. Alright, so I'm just at the park today, and naturally leaf blowers goes by and a bunch of people come walking through, so it's like, okay. Anyway, here's the light. Let's rip it open and it'll show you what's inside. So of course we got the light itself, which it comes with a hat clip, so you can hang it on your hat, which I kind of appreciate. I like going hands-free when I need to. I like the option to go hands-free when I need to. And then it comes with I don't know, a little plastic tray, so maybe at the end of the day you could just set it in here. And where is the USB? So the USB port is on the back here, so you can charge it. Another rechargeable light, which I'm really glad our technology for lighting is getting to the point where we don't have to worry about going out and buying a whole bunch of batteries. And of course it comes with a charging cable, so not much as far as stuff with it. Now this is $39.99 as well as a headlamp. If you missed that video, it will be down in the description. And I did write down some stats. So it has it's 500 lumens at max, and it will go for 3 to 4 hours. 250 lumens at medium for 4 to 5 hours, and then 100 lumens for 6 to 8 hours. And then it's got 3 colors as well. So that's got the, oh, that's actually pretty bright. And it's got the light on the front. Then it has green, and red, which is pretty cool. That's 3 light colors. Green, and I don't know. So the other one might be just light. So there you go. Then it's got the headlamp, the clip for their hat, and then the red, like I said, the green, and it just turns off. So, alrighty, so we're outside, and kind of cold out here, but wow. So, hang on, let me turn off the stupid camera light. Okay. This is it. A little hard to work in the dark, but oh, here's the light. I cannot. Oh, that's why I was doing it. Literally the wrong way. Okay, so seems almost just this is almost good enough. Throws off quite a bit of light. So if we hit the That's the first color. And we'll get back to this. There's the red. So there's the green. So the green actually puts off quite a bit of light. So let's, come on, let's clip it to the hat. So that's the front. There we go. Get around to the front of the camera here. So that's just on the clip of the hat, which is not too shabby, really. That's, you know, that lights up a fairly good amount of space. I could see what I was doing. I mean, the idea being that, you know, you don't want to be tripping on stuff, but the only downside I can think of, in honesty, is that because it doesn't tilt, you have to kind of either tilt your hat down or tilt your head down. But yeah, that's not bad. That's very workable. I got someone's pickup just happens to be here, but you know, if you're, you know, working on a tire, you have enough light to, damn it, stupid camera light came on again. There we go. So if you were working on changing a tire, I mean, that's adequate light for changing a tire, I think. I could work with that. I got a car coming, so I'll... So here's the light on the hat. So if I'm working on something or doing something, I want to go hands-free, I can just be doing what I'm doing with I still have light. And one thing I like, if I can get it off, is, you know, if you're a if you take public transportation or like a bus, and you're out at the bus stop, you can, you're waiting out at the bus stop with a light on your, light on you, so the driver can see you. Or if you're just out for a bike ride, with it being fall now, you can hook this on the back of your pack while you're riding around, and you can have light shining to indicate to drivers where you are. So we got that safety feature. And of course you got the red and then the green. So this Christmas you can run around all festive showing some Christmas colors. Which I think is pretty money. Not to mention you can be out looking for, looking for animals, and they don't, I guess they can't see green. I think that's how it goes. I forget how it goes. I've never actually hunted with green, so actually I've never hunted, but pretty cool little light, not bad. I'm thinking I'm gonna hang this on my work bag, and then this winter I'll have it, I'll have an extra light. I mean, I always EDC a light anyway. I just don't do a whole bunch of EDC videos because, I'm not gonna do a whole video for my EDC when all I did was change the battery, change the flashlight, and then I upgraded my phone finally after like 8 years. So now I gotta do a whole EDC just for that. Because what's the point? I actually know someone who did that. They were just, hey, hey, I changed batteries, so here's a whole new video. Or I changed flashlight, so here's a whole new video. Anyway, it's a pretty cool little light so far. I'm sure I'll be using this at work and whatnot, because it's getting dark sooner. So, you know, it might be something you could use while you're, you know, going out to the car to get your mail or something like that. Or if you need a light for your hat, or you just want the colors. But I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, all the information. Oh, I forgot to go over. Did I go over the info? See if I forgot anything. Oh, 1.6 ounces. That's all I forgot. So pretty cool. And also, this has when you buy this, it has free shipping as well. Plus, there's a 20% discount code at checkout when you use the code BLACK, all capital, and you'll get 20% knocked off your order. So, and when Christmas comes up, might be a nice little gift. Well, that or the headlamp. So anyway, thanks for watching as always, and we'll catch you in the next one. And the link will be down in the description for the product. And have a good one.